Are you interested in becoming a reseller and making money on Poshmark or any other reselling platform, but feel like you're missing some insider knowledge? Well, you're not alone. Many resellers keep a few secrets up their sleeves to gain a competitive edge, but don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I'll reveal 6 secrets that resellers don't typically share with others. Just a warning though, some of them are borderline illegal, so be careful. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what it takes to succeed in the reselling world and how you can level up your business. So let's dive in and uncover these secrets together. Think like a buyer when creating a listing and writing its title. Search engine optimization through writing keywords and titles is a commonly used technique, but I see a lot of new Poshmark sellers not using this to their advantage. Here are the most frequent mistakes that you should avoid at all costs when writing a title for your listing. Avoid using emojis, symbols, or any other punctuation. I already started with my listings, but I have over 920 active listings at this point, and it is really tough to go back and change everything. But from now on, when I list, I will avoid any punctuations just to see if it makes any difference. Also, hashtags don't work on Poshmark. Another very important tip is write concise titles describing your item the way you would look for if you were the buyer. Start with the brand name, style name if you have it, what the item is, dress, pant, top, and so forth, color, and size. That's it. When creating a listing and the body of the listing, write as much detail as you can, and at the end, try to come up with as many keywords as possible relevant to your item, of course, but without using any commas between them. Commas and symbols are breaking up the keyword sequence, and the algorithm will have a very tough time finding your listing. If you want more detail on this amazing hack, stick around and I will link some more info that dives in depth in this very technique at the end of this video. Another secret hack that many Poshmark sellers don't talk about or simply are not aware of is disable the preferred sizing when searching for comps to get more results. This trick might be simple, but I bet a lot of seasoned poshers didn't think of it because I see a lot of resellers complaining they don't get results when running comps. Here's how you can do it. On the main panel, go to My Size and uncheck all the sizes you have active so that your My Size section shows inactive. By disabling the preferred sizing option, you will be able to see more results for the item you're searching for, including listings that might be listed in sizes outside of your preferred size range. I just want to give you a visual on this. In your closet, go to My Size and deactivate all the sizes you have set by clicking on them. It will automatically save. Use the upper arrow to go back. You will notice it says incomplete. To ensure you're finding the most relevant comparable items and to narrow down to your search, it's a good idea to also use other search filters such as relevance, brand, color, sold and unsold items, and price range as needed. If you're using an iPhone, use iPhone text replacement shortcut to list faster. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, and tap the plus button to add a new text replacement. In the phrase field, type the text you want to use as a shortcut for your Poshmark listing, such as LLL, just an idea for a new listing, or DDD for description. And in the shortcut field, type the text you want to appear when you type the shortcut, such as the standard listing description or a common set of tags. Save the text replacement, and once you have set up your text replacement, you can use them when you're creating a Poshmark listing. Simply type the shortcut you set up and the full text will appear. You can then edit the text as needed for the specific item you are listing. Using text replacement can save you a lot of time and reduce errors when listing. On your iPhone, go to Settings, click on General, Keyboard, go up to Text Replacement, In the upper right side, click the plus button to add your preferred text in the phrase area. Type your desired phrase, add the letters combination to the shortcut, save, and you are done. Now let's go list an item so you see firsthand how easy and time-saving this is. I am just regularly posting an item, writing my title, description, and in the description box I will type the shortcut letters that will bring up my phrase. Just hit the enter arrow and voila! In the description box, I usually add the title as well as my first phrase. Add the individual details for each piece, like size, color, type, condition, and fabric components, eventually measurements, depending on how you are listing your items usually. Hit done and you have listed this in probably half the time of what you are usually taking to list. I did not look for comps for this piece, but I kinda know that flying tomato kimonos go for about $35 to $45 in the sold area. You can also check the suggested price area to guesstimate the sale price for your item. And here is the listing, and it took me only 10 minutes, including measurements and pictures. I am taking a moment to ask you to please subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you found good value in this video so far, and let's continue with number 4. Find and copy others' similar listing details when you are in a hurry is a more sensitive subject, but hey, we do whatever we must to save some time. Some of us have kids, 2 jobs, and lots of things to do, and we have to list those things daily, otherwise we have no sales. That doesn't mean you have to copy the listing word for word. A better term would be get inspiration. Make sure you have the information on the same exact piece. Make sure your measurements are accurate and all the details match to your piece when creating the listing, including size, color, and condition. Take detailed pictures of the item you are listing to avoid any confusions or open cases, and do not copy other people's photos without their permission. Number 5, this is also not allowed on Poshmark, but many resellers use it, and it will be more and more common because the competition is just so huge. I'm talking about sharing bots. The most commonly used and the best out there is PosherVA, to my knowledge, and if you want to give it a try, I will link it in the description box down below this video. And you can program this to share up to 9,000 listings a day for you, send offers to likers, follow, unfollow closets, relist, increase and decrease prices, and many more cool features. It's pretty easy to use and also very helpful, but more info about this along with a detailed tutorial on how it works in another video, so make sure to subscribe and get notified when this video comes out. And number 6, and let me blow your mind with this one. Did you know you can advertise your listing on 5 different platforms with just one click of a button when you list? Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Facebook. Increasing your listing exposure is a huge, major help for your listings. All you have to do is have an account and connect to those sites. Ew. My name is Alina, I'm a Poshmark reseller, and I enjoy sharing my knowledge and helping you with your own reselling journey. If you find value in my videos and wish to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the thanks button just under the subscribe button, or sharing this or any of my videos with someone you know that has the same interests as us. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you soon. Bye!